don't like me. Cause like, I'm pretty as
Arms up.
Just the other day, I heard her say,
Hand in her face.
With a
You're
face like this
too
and a
poor.
display.
Get out of my
What could
way
I say?
fast.
The bag so expensive, my came with it. Body so nice, they be saying who did it. But everything natural, actual, factual. Prissy in the streets, but I like an animal.
We're taking a trip to Prada. I want you to pick out the most expensive bag they have and strut to the front with your purse.
You ever see me?
Let's go.
I'm her.
Pump it out.
Her.
Step back.
She.
Pump it out. Set your bag
Take a look,
down.
it's me.
Secure the bag.
Take your prince, this her.
Here we
And whatever
go.
that is, I'ma do it better. Must've just seen me in it playing catch up. It's looking like Lil Megan's playing dress up. Would I ever spin the block on the
You could never
I don't
be
even wear
me.
outfit
You
twice.
wish you
That dumb
could.
Jenny
Best
got a
than
problem,
me.
probably never met them till I hate the kids both cheeks child Bella, but I'm
Grab
used to
your
the chatter
bag.
cause I'm her.
Take it back.
She.
Pump. Set it down.
Take a pic, it's me.
Mommy will be right back.
Me, tell your friends this her.
Walk to the front and then you're done.
I eat hate, that's why I ain't gotta waste. The more hate, more money I'ma make. And the more talk, more
Take it back,
Cause
go
I'm the
in,
most sickening.
down,
So sick of me, no matter
nice
what they do or say,
and
they no
slow.
getting rid of me. I come in every room and draw attention like a centipede.
Speed
Stepping for a
it
long
up
time,
now.
moving like a
Woo.
centipede. I ain't scared of man or to everybody hating, y'all can suck this clip. Cause the hate campaign ain't working at all. I ain't Jack or Jill,
Grab your
they
bag,
ain't gon'
last
fall.
time.
I'm her. She.
Set it
Take a
down.
It's me.
Honey, you wouldn't get
Take
it.
your friends, this her.
We're gonna work the other booty now. So I want you to join me and take it nice and slow. Ooh. Do you feel that burn? Look at her go. You can buy everything we're wearing at activebooty.com. If you want to do 60 and 30-minute sweat sessions, click right here. We do them every single week. And you can hear this song on our official Spotify playlist, Workout by The Fitness Marshall.